Hey magic makers, Derek Izama here. Welcome back to the Money Making Magic channel. Today, let's uncover the Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher Code that gives you 1 million coins. Let's get into it. Okay, if you are new to Hamster Kombat, when you say dot, just tap the hamster guy, and when you say dash, hold the hamster guy for a second. Now to start, click on the Daily Cipher button. Now the hamster guy has turned to red. Enter S dot dash dash. The code is cracked. You are a real detective. Now take the prize. Good job, see you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more great videos. Catch you in the next one.